I have King Sling. I've been wanting to get this truck for a while. I missed it when it initially went on sale. I thought it was gone. I thought I'd had to wait for World Finals. I thought I'd had to suck up to terrible eBay prices. But I have it. So, a bit of a history of this release. It came out mid-March of this year, and it sold out that weekend. And I was very surprised because superstore trucks typically don't take this long to sell out. But this one did. Just like a day or two, and it was gone. The secondhand prices were crazy. I think someone asked, like, what's a fair price for King Sling? Someone said 70, and the eBay price are even worse. It was like $100. It was crazy. But it was a Monday. I don't remember which Monday. It was a few weeks ago. I was bored. I was clicking around the Monster Jam website, and I clicked on their news article about King Sling, because that news article, you clicked on it, it would take you to a link to the sale page, which for a while would just dead link at 404, but it actually took me to the superstore, and I realized, oh crap, they're back in stock. And there was 2,000 of them. Now there's only 1,000, but that's still better. I thought it was going to sell out like by the time I got these. But I have them. I'm going to open it. Here's that. There's the bottom. It's just legal mumbo jumbo. Here's the back. Here's the back. Showing the actual King Sling. There is the blurb of text. I wonder if there's any typos. I don't know. So, there's that. Also, I'm not sure I'm going to go right there. But yeah, I got two. They arrived. Actually, they arrived when I was gone. I was in Salinas this past weekend. That footage is up on the channel. And it arrived then. But actually, I was checking the package. I was like tracking my package like a crazy person. It was actually supposed to arrive on Tuesday the 27th, which is when I would leave for Nashville. It actually was like a couple days after I would have left, and that would have been bad. But I have it, and here it is. And first things first, I gotta address my one complaint. Yeah, why'd you throw it on a leafer chassis? I think the reason why is because, well, I do know the reason why. They wanted zoomies in the back there. Look at the zoomies. The only way to do that is with a leafer. It looks the mold itself is great. This mold, or this execution on a leafer, is just kind of goofy, because the actual King Sling is on a tube frame chassis, or what have you. But it is on the leafer. I mean, it's not like a big deal, but it's still like I have to call it out. It's in charcoal chrome, which is kind of cool. It does have the retro tires with not BKT printing, but bead lock printing for the first time. The leafer, or the retro tires, have always just been a solid color. They've never done bead lock printing, but here we have it in green. Another thing is they also have removed the flotation on the side, the flotation text on the side of the tire. That's something that they have done. Why? I don't know, but they removed it. And let's take a look at the casting. From what I can tell, the casting is very, very well done. You have the King Sling graphics on the side here with the skull. I think in real life that skull is actually 3D, but obviously with the die cast there are restrictions, so it is just printed on. See Dennis Anderson's signature on the back here. Barely see it because of the graphics, but it's there. Have the front with the white flames and the headlights, which you can see is staring right at you. Yeah, this kind of looks funny. It's like got beady little eyes. It's just staring at you. Here is the other side, which is the same as that side. Nothing much on the top here in terms of roof. I will also make another point. The color's a little off. The actual King Sling is very much a bright neon kind of lime green. This, I think, is a little too dark of a shade. Like the bead locks here, that's the perfect color. This is like, I think it's also like metallic. Rail Truck's not metallic. It's just straight up neon green. But you know, it's still awesome. This is still a really cool piece. You can get it. I would get it soon. It's gonna probably sell out eventually. I'll put a link in the description for it. I think it's cool. Obviously, I do have a couple complaints, but I can kind of get past them because we got King Sling. This is exciting. I did not think we'd get King Sling because this truck has no like ties to Monster Jam. Obviously, it's owned by the Andersons, but it's not a Monster Jam asset or entity or what have you. This was independently owned by the Andersons, so it's pretty cool we got a toy of it. And this also opens the door for another Anderson-owned mega truck that they have. Actually, that they recently sold. So we'll see if we get that. Hopefully we do. I really would like to see Bog Hog. I think that'd be awesome. But anyway, I like this. That's about it. See ya.